Hello everyone, in this demonstration I will show you how Celigo Aura can assist in designing and building an integration flow using natural language. Instead of manually planning the flow, Aura helps identify the required steps and configuration, making development faster and more efficient. Here I am going to create a new integration flow. I'll ask Celigo Aura to help build a flow that exports customers from Shopify and imports them into NetSuite. For both create and update operation. Instead of manually designing the integration, I simply describe the business requirement in plain language. So now we will ask Celigo Aura we will just create a flow as per what we have created the prompt that is, hello Aura, please create a flow to export customers from Shopify and import them into NetSuite. For create and update operation, connection that we need to use is NetSuite connection and Shopify demo. These are the both two connection that is already present in Celigo account. Then I have provided the connection ID as well to be more accurate and to use the correct um, connection that we need. And here I have also mentioned, could you please create the flow using name as Aura Sync Shopify customer to NetSuite customer for add and update operation. This is the name that we want our flow to have. And then I have also mentioned the integration tile that uh, we need our flow under. So these are the under the Aura demo. This is the integration tile that I have mentioned here. So I'll just provide the prompt. Now Celigo Aura analyze the request and automatically generates the overall integration design as per the prompt we have provided. It identifies the source system, the destination system, and the sequence of steps required to complete the integration. In this step, Aura recommends exporting customer records from Shopify, importing them into NetSuite, while supporting both customer creation and updates. It will also outline the configuration required for each step. So here Celigo is uh, analyzing the data that we have. It is still thinking and the work is still in progress. We will get such actions that needs our input. We have to accept all the requests that we will get to add and update the flow, export, import into our Celigo account. So after thinking for almost um 2 to 5 minutes, Celigo Aura has created the flow, the export for exporting Shopify customer and import for add and update NetSuite customer. So let's see how the flow looks. So here we have the flow, name Aura sync Shopify customer to NetSuite customer for add and update. Here in the export, we have export as export Shopify customer, and the description for it is ongoing Shopify customer saying that it drives customer created or updated since the prior successful run. So they have also added the data that we use for the live flow to get only the record that has been recently updated. Now we have export tile, and for import into NetSuite, we have NetSuite customer add and update. Here we have the record type as customer and the criteria to find the existing record on the basis of which we will update, perform the operation as add or update is email. So this email is from NetSuite and this is from the uh, our export system, that is Shopify. So now we have verified the configuration of the flow. We have to update the flow accordingly. And also, if we don't know the mapping, how to do the mapping, we have to give the prompt to Aura again to update these fields as per what we need for our requirement, which field we want to add for creating the customer and updating it. So using prompt, we can do that. So Celigo Aura acts as a power implementation assistant throughout the flow building process. Currently, as per what we have done, we have just added the prompt to create the flow with the on the basis of connection only. But if we have some scenarios that we want to consider, we have to add the conditions and scenarios as well. So as per that, Celigo Aura will give us the flow accordingly. So it develops the flow as per what is expected. And that concludes this demonstration of AI-assisted flow building with Celico Aura. By transforming a simple business requirement into structured integration plan with actionable configurable guidance, Aura helps reduce implementation time and enables developer to deliver integration faster. Thank you for watching.